Whakaalawhatu makau. Good morning, welcome back for the morning walks, oh hui, but today is the aho matufifine. Happy Mother's Day.
Come on, yo.
Oh, sepe sepe. Tuke ngohua hako, si oke oh hui, pongi pongi nei. Fefe aho.
Mi taki tunga mena homa aho e a fua. O non ke langi ngā ha a fua e aho. A fua e aho nega rai. Aho i tō mama tō whiwhenea nei. Today is the Mother's Day. Ro e masane hau ke o hui. Koe ngā hau ka tau se hau nei?
Whakamea e whale tei. E pongi pongi nei. Se oa mautolu ki Howard Historical Village ke tau se tau mena mo mga whaua.
Tau se tohi ngā.
Ei lo hau. Pai mena ke tau se tau tau. Whakaalawhatu makau. Happy Mother's Day peeps. Kia manui ne aho. Matua whiwhine. We just came to the beach because Danielle wanted to go for a walk. We didn't want to waste the day today, so we're out here at the beach.
Are you done?
Enjoying the sunshine.
Dad?
Yeah.
Dad?
Tō tahi mitaki e aho nei.
Dad?
Um,
Dad?
we were meant to go o hui, but ei wheloto au ke mohe, ke oki oki. Lave lave au ne awhi. Ne awhi. I was at the 21st yesterday, so very tired right now. Tunu e kai pongi pongi. I already cooked Danielle some breakfast and the kids, but I forgot to cook breakfast for my mum. I just went and visited her, so I might go later today and hopefully do something. If not, that's all good. There's always tomorrow. Mother's Day is every day, not just one day. Aya, tō whileweia. Whakaalawhatu makau. Welcome back. We're back here for netball.
It looks like it's sunny, but
And I've got my cheerleaders with me. Here's my cheerleaders here.
Wait, it looks like it's sunny, but it's not.
Another day of netball. Yesterday was Mother's Day, so today is exercise day, cardio day.
We're doing that at
Ate a
night
lot of food, so hopefully it's used to my benefit. But we'll see how it goes. It's starting to get darker now. It's 6 o'clock and it's sundown. Shoo! Welcome back to netball. And looking forward to playing today. I got a sore back, so I'm just gonna shoot today. Yeah. We got no subs. We lost a few players, so see how we go. Sound a bit throaty. Oh, I was having a sleep. I just woke up. Yeah, I was tired. Busy Monday. Whakaalawhatu makau. We got our butts handed to us. That's the team right there. Too good. Too good. All good. I'm sweating. Hopefully I lost a bit of weight. My legs don't hurt as much. And yeah, you can see I'm sweating nice. So good game, but we didn't come away with the win. Hey. It's recording? Yeah. I'm definitely out too. Man, just had an impressive game. No subs.
Yeah.
No worries. Still got that loss. It was a good run.
Good job.
Yeah, I just played shooter. My back is still injured, but I haven't made it worse, so might have to put in a claim to get some physique. It was a good run.
Good job. Good job.
Oh, wrong person. How did you guys think about the game?
It's good. It was good. You guys did well. And yeah, I don't know what to say.
Good job, Vinny. It's my mom's last. Good luck. Yeah, woo.
Thank you, Dave. Here's the tag team duo, the connection. These guys had chemistry on the. Yeah. Whakalo Fatumako. We are here at my son Jackson. We're here at the Mukbang barbecue buffet for Faith's 16th birthday. Here's the price. $32 for per person. Steph's gonna shout half, so cool. Wait till everyone gets here. Look good what. Oh no, you have to cook it first. Try to eat it raw. Put it on. Yep, put that one on. And then
thank you all for coming. Thank you all for coming. Appreciate every one of you guys. Yeah, I love you all. And yeah, thank you guys.
Let's have you up before.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.